If you have tight hips that are causing you nagging lower back pain and you want to fix the root cause so you can move freely again, this 15-minute yoga routine is designed specifically for women and men over 40. It is exactly what you need to loosen up safely. Hello and welcome to Yoga After 40. My name is Paola, and today we're going to be working on our joints from the outside, but we need support from the inside too. That's why I use my own 3-in-1 whey protein with collagen and colostrum blend. It is incredible for joints, for gut health, and much more. And I have attached the link right here for you to check it out. So let's begin today at the back of the mat, coming into our child's pose to decompress the lower back, sending the hips to the heels, threading the upper body in between the legs, taking the arms by the side, and resting the forehead on the mat. We want to be here for 3 breaths, allowing yourself to relax, to take deep inhales through the nose and long and steady exhales through the nose. I hope everyone is having an amazing 2026. I hope you're committed to feeling good. Remember, I'm here for you, so let me know in the comments section below what you want to see next. I'll be more than happy to take any class request. So taking one more breath in here. We're going to reach the arms forward, coming high into the fingertips to stretch the shoulders. Now press yourself into your cat-cow. So remember, for your cat-cow, you want to make sure that your shoulders are over the wrist and you're spreading all 10 fingers. Keeping it straight back. Navel in, dropping the belly towards the mat. Slightly look up, shoulders away from the ears. Take one deep breath in here. And then on your exhale, we're gonna start taking the chin to chest, navel in, rounding the spine. Inhale, come back all the way up for your cow. Exhale, round the spine for your cat. Inhale, come up. Exhale, chin to chest. We're lubricating the spine, moving with our breath. One more inhale. Exhale. Coming back to neutral. We're gonna take the left hand few inches to the right for our thread the needle, taking the right arm all the way up to the sky, looking at the right fingertips. Taking a twist in here. Inhale, thread the right arm under the left arm, resting the right shoulder and the head on the mat. Maybe taking the left arm around the back to grab your right inner thigh. You can reach the left arm forward. Releasing tension on the upper back and shoulders often compensates for lower back pain. So you can stay here. Maybe you shift the weight into the right knee, stretching the left leg back. Maybe taking the right arm around the back. You can take your left leg up. You can bend the knee, and with the left hand, we grab the foot and we kick into the hand. Engaging the core and the glutes. Remember, this is all optional. If you want a little bit more, you can come high on the right knee. And then slowly, wherever you are, start coming all the way down. Left hand goes to the mat. Right arm reaches up. Look at the right fingertips. And now bring it down. We're going to do the other side. So we're going to walk the right hand a few inches to the left. And now we're going to take the left arm up. Looking at the left fingertips for a twist. Inhale. Exhale. Take the left arm under the right arm. Again, either the right hand stays on the mat. Maybe you reach the right arm forward, coming high on the fingertips to stretch the shoulder. Maybe taking the arm around the back to grab the right inner thigh. Again, you can stay, or if you're looking for more, shift the weight into the left knee, stretching the right leg back. Maybe we take it all the way up. Bending the knee, grabbing the foot. Coming high on the left knee. And then slowly start coming all the way down. Taking the right hand back to the mat. Press yourself up. Reach the left arm all the way up to the sky and bring it down. How are we doing? Are we feeling better? So now we're gonna start moving into our hip stretches so we can stretch the hip flexors. So taking the knees a little closer together, we're gonna take the right leg up. Either point or flex your toes. Now bring the right knee to nose, round the spine, press the mat away. And we're gonna step the right foot in between our hands, however you can. If not, remember, if your foot gets stuck, grab the foot with your right hand, step it forward, find your balance, and then come all the way up. If this bothers your knee, remember you have the option to fold the mat. Maybe you grab a pillow, you grab a blanket. Another option in here, if this doesn't feel comfortable, you can always take your figure 4, your reclined pigeon, extending your hips forward and up. Tight hips is the #1 cause for lower back pain, so it's always important to stretch your hips. We stay here for one more breath, making sure that the right knee stack over the right heel. You don't want the right knee to pass your toes. We keep lengthening the spine. Avoid sinking down into your lower back. Now take your hands back to the mat. Step your right leg back. And now we're gonna bring the knees a little closer together and take the left leg up. Again, engage your core, your glutes, point or flex your toes. Bring the left knee to nose or knee to chest, round the spine, pressing the mat away so you're creating space to step your left foot in between the hands. Once you find your balance, come up, sending the hips forward and up. Knee over heel. Remember, option to take your figure 4. So now take both hands back to the mat, come back into your tabletop. And from here, we're gonna start our cool down. So we're gonna lay flat on the mat, moving into a reclined spine twist. First, bring the knees to the chest. Take the arms by the side. And now slowly drop both knees towards the right side. Keeping the left shoulder grounded on the mat. Looking over the left shoulder for a gentle twist. Letting gravity do the work in here. So don't force anything. Just breathe. Now engage your core, bring the legs up. And now we're going to release both legs towards the left side, keeping the right shoulder grounded on the mat. Looking over the right shoulder for a twist. Bring the knees all the way up. And now we're coming into a supported bridge. So grab a block, maybe you grab a pillow, placing the block, the pillow, the bolster under the sacrum, bending the knees. Make sure that your knees are over the heels, taking the arms by the side. Maybe you take the hands on top of the hips. Keep hugging the inner thighs together. Remove the block. And now bring the toes to touch. Knees to the side. Letting the armpits breathe. Left hand to the heart, right hand to the belly. I want to thank you all so much for letting me be part of your beautiful journey. And remember, you're never too old and it's never too late to start taking care of your body and start taking care of your mind. I started this beautiful journey at 41. I'm 51 now, and I feel better and stronger than ever, and that's exactly what I wish for all of you. Please let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next, and I hope to see you guys soon in the next class.